Welcome back to the channel. So what we're doing right now is we're having a look at Stephen's 2008 Range Rover Vogue. Now this is the Range Rover that Stephen purchased probably 2 months ago, and he did a short video which I'm going to link here in this description about this car, but nothing has happened. Well, not a lot, I lie. Stuff has happened. So basically what Stephen has done is he's went and actually purchased an engine for this because he fitted a new starter to this car, and unfortunately it did the exact same thing. It didn't work. It didn't work. Looking at this car, I'll show you this. Like looking at this car, I'm sorry if it's dark, but it's evening here. The reality is,
it's in Ireland, it's an €8,000 car.
Yeah, I was going to say, like, reality is I don't feel this is an €8,000 car, but when it's running it likely will be. But we don't know, there could be a lot of work to be done with it, like in terms of airbags, in terms of brakes, suspension. We don't really know, and the only way to find out is actually get the engine into it and get it started. When the engine's going in, what Stephen's going to do is he's going to get the turbos done, and he's going to get the EGRs done or blanked in it, and then hopefully then it actually will be okay. But let me just show you around it again, just in case you haven't seen it already. It has these awful chrome mirrors, which, to be honest with you, are not nice whatsoever. Now,
It's
locked all around. Let's get in here. If you look in the back, this is actually a commercial, which means that there is no back seats in it. We might see, can we get that changed? But I'll show you the dash. Sorry for the light. I really have, look, I'm not even powering this thing. I went over there. But the reality is that this car likely could be the worst thing Stephen ever bought. Even like, look at the headlamps there, like they all need buffed, like
basically
sanded.
Basically what I think is a good wash, a new tailgate, clean off those lights, and when the new engine's in and the turbos are done, maybe change the set of alloys. You'd be surprised how well it'll be looking.
Open up the engine bay, let's have a look. So this is the 3.6 TDV8.
Yep, it is the 3.6 V8. What's happening, this is the oil pump, I say, is gone and broke off, and the timing then chain went out, and the timing went out, and it broke the engine. That is what I say.
That's what Stephen assumes, but he doesn't know. But a new engine's going in it.
The timing's off, so yeah. Something like that.
Is that grill original? No.
It could be, it might not be.
I don't think it is, no.
Well, it just depends.
I don't think so.
You could have ordered it. You could have. But you just don't know. I would say it's not.
No.
And I would look.
Do you want to know how I know it's not? Look at that.
Black.
Land Rover badge. Supercharged. And it's actually peeling as well a bit. I'll bring you over and show you my Range Rover, because it's actually much nicer. Well, Stephen's over there. This is my one here. Now, a bit of rust has started coming into the tailgate here, and it has been patched before the previous owner. That needs sorted. Moving that Range Rover on the trailer hit my light guard and cracked my light. Now it's filling with water, but I'm going to drill just a wee hole there to let that water out. I'm going to steal the light off that car. I fitted General Grabber all-terrains. They were brand new, but they seem to have worn a bit. As you can see from this muck, it was in the field. I'll stick up a picture. Yeah. The back isn't very tidy, but I will tidy it out. See my lights, look at that. Much better shine than Stephen's. As remember, these are the same age. Although mine was a UK import, that one was a Irish car from new. Both actually in Sligo, strangely enough. But I do like my car, but there's a few things that need doing on it. Number one, when I got the turbos done, the exhaust gasket here on this side wasn't put back on right, and it's blowing. It annoys me a lot. The gearbox is, the torque converter's shot basically, so I need to get that sorted, and the airbag light is on, which I need to sort as well, but I know what's causing that, so have to get that done.
This makes the power very, very fast.
What, this car?
Yeah, for some reason.
Right, well then maybe we should drive on.
Look at that, actually it's clean though.
Do you know, interior's all right, I have to say. Here's the best part of it.
It is clean. Look,
The seats are nice. They'll clean up very well.
they'll clean up perfect. And like, you know, the back seats have never been satin.
Actually haven't.
Actually haven't.
Yeah, they're very
They're never used.
fresh.
They've never been used.
Never.
No.
It's such a waste, isn't it?
They're lucky to be there at all. Ah.
The area. Right.
Right here.
We'll bring this to the mechanics. We'll come back to you folks in 2-3 weeks when we have an update. Fingers crossed. Let's just see what it's like when it starts.
Well, not with those connections anyway.
Not with those connections, but it's not going to start anyway. So yeah, let us get this to the mechanic and we'll update you when he gets the new engine fitted. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and to comment down below what you think of these two cars. We really appreciate all the comments, and we're really growing the channel and we're enjoying doing it, and it'd be good to have you guys part of it. Talk to you soon, alright?